Good afternoon. Day before yesterday, I've gone to the market buying some vegetables and fruits in the market, and the person known to me, he says, "Ma'am, you are an advocate. I just want an advice. I've given a blank check to someone, and he has filed a bounce case against me. What should I do? Is it reliable that the check bounce case will be applied on me?" Then I told him that once you have signed the check and you have signed also that you should not give to anybody in case you sign the check and keep you in the passbook, and you lost the passbook and still the other person misused the check and filed a case in the check in the court and send you a legal notice for check bounce case. The case will apply on you. And secondly, even though if your check is lost and you have not lodged an FIR for the same number of check, in that case also check bounce case will be filed against you. So court always say two things which I told him, that check is yours, you have signed the check and you have a relevant account in the bank. Nothing else. Once these conditions are meeting, check bounce case will be filed against you. There is a ruling of Supreme Court also. So there is no other alternate until unless you talk to me and try to compromise the matter between both the parties and sit along with both the advocates. That is only possible if it is possible. Otherwise, once you have signed the check and the amount filled by the other person, you are liable to pay the fine amount which he has mentioned in the check. It's no matter that you have not mentioned the date, you have not mentioned the time, date, place, and you have not mentioned the amount, only you have blank signed the check, still you are responsible for your check because check is yours. That is a guideline and ruling of the Supreme Court also. Thank you for listening to me. Regards.